Imran coming into ball. The fifth of his team. 17 to get from 17 now. Imran Jr. with the ball. Tamim and Mubashir are the two batsmen in the middle for Challenge Krishnapura. The two local teams, Challenge Krishnapura and KFC Krishnapura, competing against each other. Two favorite teams competing in this quarter-final of the SS Trophy 2021. Tamim in the strike end now. Imran for the second time. Right arm round the wicket. Harshad LT there, directly to the stumps and is given. Nazir Eden has raised his fingers up in the air. Mubarish will have to walk back to the pavilion. This is good fielding from Harshad LT, collecting the ball in time and throwing it back to the stumps. This match is going to be a nail biter. KFC versus Challenge Krishnapura. This has been a low scoring game for KFC Krishnapura, just scoring 35 runs on the board, allowing Challenge to chase his total, giving tough competition. Imran getting success in the second delivery of his over. $17 runs to get from 16 deliveries. Shuhail is the man walking into the middle, one of young talented players of Challenge Krishnapura in the middle now. A bit of field placements from the bowler. Field placements like long on, long off, deep extra cover, deep square leg and deep mid wicket are the five fielders that are outside the 30-yard circle. 17 needed from 16. The first week of this tournament in the semi-finals against Young Friends Urva and KFC Kodikal, 19 runs was possible in the final over. Now 17 needed from 16 deliveries. Who is going to win this match and move on to the semi-finals of this tournament? This is a big question. We'll have to wait and watch until and unless the final delivery is balled. Imran Jr. for the third time. Imran to Shuhail. Full toss delivery. Just guiding it to third man region this time. Shuhail straight away off the mark and scoring that single, and scoreboard moves on to 19 now. 16 needed from 15 deliveries. Three more deliveries left in this over. Imran, this is the first run that is given of the 3 overs that is bowled. This time Tamim in the strike end. In the air for quite some time, fielder getting underneath it, Kabir the fielder. This is a breakthrough here. Imran getting back-to-back wickets in alternative deliveries. 2 wickets down in this over. First in the form of Mubarish, now Tamim. They're throwing away their wickets. They will have to implement a strategy. They don't need any big hits. They don't need to play in the air. Just play along the carpet. Just score those 1s and 2s. Take those singles. Look for 2s. This is what they'll have to implement. KFC Krishnapura should look for wickets. These are the strategy they'll have to implement. Let's see which team will have to implement it properly and will win this match and move on to the semi-finals of this tournament. 16 to get from 14. This match is surely going to be a nail-biter. There's no result unless and until the final delivery is balled. Imran for the 5th time. Penultimate delivery. Again looking to chip it and guide the ball. Dotted delivery added on to the total now again. One more delivery left in this over. Imran has so far given just a single run in this over and picked up 2 wickets. What a brilliant comeback from Imran in this over. Final delivery. Imran to Shuhail. Another dotted delivery. Back-to-back dotted delivery. This is a match-turning over. He's given just 1 run and picked up 2 crucial wickets of Challenge Krishnapura. The man with golden arm, Imran, has done his part for his team. He's bowled